So you might think that getting cinematic camera movements requires having an expensive gimbal, but what if you can't afford buying a gimbal yet, or if you're in a situation where balancing a gimbal would only slow you down? No worries, I'll teach you 5 ways to get cinematic gimbal movements without actually using a gimbal. Then we have the track forward shot. Hold the camera firmly, lock your elbows to your body, and do the heel to toe ninja walk to avoid the up and down shake. Then select the steadiest part of the clip, use slow motion and add warp stabilizer in post. At number 2 we have the jib shot. Start from a squat position, then slowly move to a standing position. Keep your camera in the same position and do the whole movement using your legs and your back only. Use foreground to emphasize the movement. Number 3, the Dolly In Shot. Start from the point where you want the shot to end, then lean your body backwards as far as you can. Then reverse the clip in post. This is the easiest way to get a steady result. Number 4, the slider movement. Use manual focus to lock your focus on the subject and use the foreground to emphasize the movement. Spread your legs, bend your knees and keep your feet in the same position. Do the left to right movement with your torso and stay as close to the foreground as possible to make the movement look bigger. Then we have the orbit shot. Do this kind of the same way you would do the slider shot, but add a bit of orbit movement by panning with your hands. So if you found this video helpful and want to learn more about videography and video editing, subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next Monday. Take care.